Hey guys, it's Egge Overland. Now the winter is almost gone here in Norway, so I've been out camping in Sweden with good friends this weekend. I'm coming back, and now I just I washed the car, clean it, taking out all the winter gear I don't need anymore, and I'm setting it up for the summertime. As I told in previous post, I do use this rig all the year long. This is set up completely for my purpose, my needs. It's hiking, it's adventurous, it's just going wherever I want to go. And then I need a different setup in the wintertime and the summertime. I'm going to go through what I have on the back now and see how this worked for me. Okay, when I'm out exploring everything, I don't like just to go around driving. I like to hike, I like to swim, I like to get in the water, on the water, and I also like to use my bicycle. This rig is, it's a little bit special, and I got accessories that require some adjustment from me. To get on my bicycle, to get with me my bicycle, I needed something special, long enough from the hitch mount, so I can get it behind the spare tire and the trash roof. I talked to Arctic Truck Norge, and they got me this from Yakima. It's sweet. I'll show you now. On this I can have 4 bikes. I'm alone most of the time, so I need one bike. You see now it's far out, but the reason why is I also can open this. I don't need to take it off. If I at camp for several days, of course I take it off, it's easy. But if I getting into camp late, I can just do it like this, and the setup is complete. I can also then use the kitchen table and cook if I need to. I reckon it's a sweet setup. Because of the Alu-Camper, Canopy camper, it's tall, and the Arctic Truck Nissan Navara is also tall. It's a problem for me to get a canoe or something on top of the camper. So I'm running the Packraft because I like it, the lightweight of it. I like it that I can just attach it to my backpack, and I can travel with it very easy when I'm hiking in the mountains or in some cool place. So yeah, right now I think this is the complete setup for me. I'm not going to change anything. I got it where I want it to be, and for me now the summer needs to come. The summer vacation, and we can all off into the nature.